In this video, we'll be having a look at some specific higher order functions, and we'll get some experience in using map, filter, and reduce or fold. A function is considered a higher order function if it takes a function as an argument and returns a function as a result, or does both. In the exam, you need to know the following higher order functions: map, filter, and reduce or fold. So let's look at each in turn with some examples. Map takes in two arguments. Argument 1 is a function, and argument 2 is a list. The function is applied to each item of the list to produce the function output, a new list. So here you can see we've typed the command map, and then the first argument is a function. So open brackets times 3. So we're going to be multiplying by 3 each item from the second argument, which is a list. And you can see the second argument there, open square brackets, and a list of values separated by commas and a closed square brackets. And you can see it applies the function to each item in the list and produces a set of outputs, as shown in the diagram and the command window at the bottom. Next is filter. Filter also takes in two arguments. Argument 1 is what we call a predicate. So that's to define a Boolean condition, either direct or as a function. And the second argument is a list. The function is applied to each item and returns a new list of each item that matches the predicate. So here we are filtering, we're using the command filter, and then brackets greater than 2 close brackets. So that's the condition that has to be met. We then supply the list, which is a comma separated set of values in square brackets, and the output is all the items from that list that match our condition. In other words, values greater than 2. And you can see the output on the diagram and again in the command prompt window. Here's another example. We've got filter, and then in brackets is odd close brackets. And you can probably guess what this is doing. It only outputs the values from the list which are odd: 3, 1, 5, and 5. The last command is reduce or fold, and it applies a function recursively to items in a list to produce a single output value. So an initial value is also supplied, which is combined with the first elements of the list. The result of this is then recursively combined to the next item, and so on. Fold L starts from the left, and fold R starts from the right. So here you can see we've used the command fold L, and then we've used the plus operator, which we're applying to the initial value of 0. We then recursively apply that to each item in the list, and the list again is a comma separated set of values in square brackets. So the first item in the list is 0. We take our initial value of 0, add it to 0, we get 0. We then take that value and add it to the second item. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, recursively going through the list until eventually we output a single return value of 22. Having watched this video, you should be able to answer the following key questions. What is a high order function? And what do the following high order functions do? Map, filter, reduce or fold.